There's a big shift happening in manufacturing right now, and Path Robotics is pushing it forward with something pretty wild. They've just introduced Rove, a mobile robotic welding system that combines their Obsidian AI with a four-legged robot. Instead of keeping welding locked inside fixed factory cells, this machine brings the weld directly to wherever the work is happening. That's a huge deal because industries like shipbuilding and heavy construction don't exactly deal with small, easy-to-move parts. We're talking massive structures, awkward shapes, and inconsistent fits that make traditional automation almost useless. On top of that, there's a growing shortage of skilled welders, and it's becoming a serious bottleneck. Rove is designed to step right into that gap. What makes this even more interesting is the robot itself. It's a quadruped, meaning it walks on four legs, which helps it move across uneven ground in complex environments. Normally, that kind of movement would make precision welding nearly impossible. But Path Robotics is using its Obsidian AI to handle that challenge. The system can see what it's working on, understand the environment, and adjust in real time, allowing it to perform detailed welds even in unpredictable conditions. This isn't just a concept either. Companies are already starting to test it in real-world scenarios. One of the early adopters is Ceronic Technologies, which is exploring how Rove can fit into its AI-powered shipbuilding operations. That's exactly the kind of environment this robot was built for: large-scale, complex, and constantly changing. Path Robotics has been working on this idea of physical AI for a while now. Their goal is to give machines the ability to see, think, and adapt on the fly, especially in industries where automation has always struggled. Their Obsidian system already handles complex welding tasks inside factories. And now with Rove, they're taking that same intelligence out into the field. Since launching in 2018, the company has raised over $300 million to push this vision forward. The idea is simple but powerful. Take jobs that were once considered too complex to automate and turn them into reliable, high-quality processes. By combining AI, machine learning, and computer vision, they're making it possible for robots to handle work that used to depend entirely on human skill. Rove feels like a glimpse of where manufacturing is headed. Instead of forcing everything into a controlled environment, the machines are becoming smart enough to handle the real world as it is. And that could completely change how large-scale industries operate in the years ahead.